Hi, my name is Jerry, and I've been a customer here at HHeaven for several years now. I wouldn't take my cars anyplace else because I know I can come in here, trust the guys that are working on them to always do the job correctly and timely, and I always get my car back when promised.
I've been a customer at HHeaven for the last 5 years. They may not be the cheapest shop to go to, but they're certainly the least expensive. When they fix something, they stand behind it.
HHeaven is the only place to go for auto repair.